So in this question, we're being asked to make the following conversions, and this is within the metric system. So things should actually be pretty straightforward here. Let's just take a quick look at kind of the way the units go here. So for example, if I start with meters, then to the right, in getting smaller here, if I want to think about it like that, I'm going to have decimeters, centimeters, and then millimeters. To the left here, I'm going to have decameter, hectometer, and kilometer. This is just to give me a sense of the movement of the decimal here. So 500 grams to kilograms. So grams is now going to take the place of the meter here. To go from a gram to a kilogram, I'm going from a small unit to a large unit, which means that the number must actually go the other direction and get smaller here. So to go from gram to kilogram, I'm going to move it 3 places. So that would be 1, 2, 3. So this would be 0.5 kilograms. Convert 3.5 meters to kilometers. So that one's easy because I got that one set up here. So if I'm starting at kilometers and I'm going down to a smaller unit, when the unit gets smaller, the number of those units there has to get larger here. So to go from kilometer to meter, that's a movement of 3 as well. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3. So 3,500 meters. Milliliters to liters, okay, and I'm starting at a really small unit. That's over here. This would be the milliliters, okay? And to get to a liter, I'm going to the middle. So that's going from milliliters to liters is going to be a movement of three decimal spots, okay? The number is going from small to large unit. So, sorry, the unit's going from small to large. So the number has to be going smaller here. So 1, 2, 3. So 0.75 liters. 2,000 meters to kilometers. In fact, we did almost exactly that, just in the opposite order here. This time, again, small unit to large unit. The unit's going to get smaller. So 2.0 kilometers. Convert 800 centimeters to meters. This one here is just a step of 2. And I'm going from a small unit to a large unit. So that's going to be a step of 2 here on my scale. And the number is going to get smaller. So it's going to be, move that over, 8.0 meters. 2.5 kilograms to grams is almost identical to what we did up here, just that the type of unit is changing. We're going from a linear measure to a mass measure, but it's still going to be the exact same movement here. So it's going to be 2,500 grams. 6,000 meters to kilometers. We just did that one. That's going to be 6.0 kilometers when I move that over. 1.2 kilograms to grams. We did that one just a couple moments ago. We're just going to move the number over, so it's going to be 1,200 grams. And again, the number should get larger because my units are getting smaller. And 9.8 liters to milliliters. Same sort of a move. That's going to be 9,800 milliliters.